The Community Health Alliance has brought in a wonderful program that will be good for the people of Humboldt.
People come out of this workshop oftentimes changed by it in really deep and meaningful ways through a very simple process.
It's incredible. It's really empowering, this course. It helps you feel better.
Our Pathways to Health is one of several resources and tools that we're making available to people in Humboldt County. What it's really about is helping people who are struggling with any chronic illness. It could be diabetes, it could be overweight and obesity, it could be arthritis, high blood pressure or heart disease.
Almost everyone has a chronic condition in their life, either in themselves or a loved one. And so why would you want to come is to learn how to feel confident about taking care of yourself, learn new skills.
It was developed by the Stanford Patient Educational Research Center under the direction of Kate Lorig. And the idea was that people living with a range of chronic conditions, chronic health conditions, ongoing health problems, have the same issues to deal with in their lives. How to use various medical treatments, how to manage diet, how to manage exercise. And what this class does is it helps people gain strategies and skills and support to learn those things.
It was proven that the course gave people the tools they needed to report that they had healthier lives. And in fact, by their hospitalizations, hospital visits, I think even doctor visits, they had less of those.
One of the things I learned from this workshop is tools, like, for example, nutrition, how to manage your medication, exercise, how important is exercise, how important is nutrition, how important is distress, how to handle problems.
And was structured in a way that it was easy to understand and certainly made it easier to learn specific techniques for self-management.
Because with chronic conditions, you're really the one in charge of your health care. Yes, you do work with healthcare providers, but it's your day-to-day health maintenance, so to speak, is up to you. Really helped me to help myself, which is really what the Pathways is about, helping ourselves.
As a patient, the issues of how to manage having a chronic disease, the emotional content, the fear of the future, staying on task for the rest of my life with medication management and so on is a very challenging process, and sharing that with others and being with other people and laughing and talking and problem solving is incredibly beneficial.
I am healthier in the sense that I don't have that much depression like I used to before, like feeling overwhelmed or powerless.
I think what happens when you have a chronic condition is that you feel sort of helpless. You feel that there's nothing you can do, and that no matter what you do, it's not going to make a difference.
If you're feeling like, I just get tired of dealing with this myself, I'm tired, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired, then this is a way to break through that.
Physicians are definitely looking for a way to assist their patients in better managing their ongoing chronic health problems, and patients are certainly motivated to find a way to better deal with their health issues and to feel better in their day-to-day life with their health issues. And this program, Pathways to Health, is the means by which everybody can achieve that.
What happens in this workshop is that people start to look at themselves in a different way. With each week that goes by, you're feeling more confident and capable, and that the power is back in your hands.
It's effective. It makes a person feel cared about, and it certainly makes them feel empowered.
There's much we can do for ourselves. In the workshop, we'll show you a lot of different tools that you can use.
One of the things that I think we forget is that we have a lot of resources within ourselves. It's just that when we're living with a chronic condition, or when we have a loved one that has a chronic condition, we get overwhelmed and we lose sight of what we have inside of us. You know, and this workshop helps people to tap into, you know, the fact that they themselves have a lot of answers in their heads.
It's worked beautifully for lots and lots of people. It's not an idle statement that it's evidence-based. If we can get enough classes going, I see it as a huge network to have people reach out to others and support them in being self-managing.
Just give yourself that one, you know, class. Come to the first one and find out about it.
If you, one of your family members, one of your friends, should happen to hear about the Pathways to Health program, I say go for it. You cannot lose.
Please come. This is for you. This is something you can do for you. And you're important, and your health is important.
Just give it a chance. This works, and it will make you feel better, and it doesn't cost you a thing.
Hope many people partake in it, because there's really so much to learn. And it's about changing your life, and you're doing that for you, because you're important and you're worth it.